Hello again. So this time I'm going over Unit 6, Exercise 11-2, Use the Structure. This one definitely wasn't as hard as the last one. Pretty simple and straightforward, basically. So I got the grading criteria open here. It says define a structure. So in customer class. So just define a structure in the customer class. Got it. Yeah. Okay. So basically, this changes the public structure, and then we've got our fields here. And then we've got the R1 constructor, and you can't have the other empty constructor because of how the structure class works, so I got rid of that. And then we've got all the properties here with the accessors, same as last time for first name, last name, and the email, so that didn't change, and this didn't change either, but the get display text function, which just formats it and returns the text. So that didn't change much. The only thing when I ran it, I had to change, was it like one piece of code in the this one, the customer maintenance. But now it works. So I'm going to show that. So as you can see, it's pulling up like it's supposed to. And if I add, I can add my wife again. And if I hit save, she shows up in the database, and I can easily just click on her, delete her. Are you sure you want to? Yes, deletes it. And I can exit out. Everything works all peachy keen. So that's the exercise. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, thank you very much.